Fanatics, it's me again, Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we are gonna go on a short trip to saan tayo? Paparapapa Jollibee. Just kidding. We're gonna go to Pahrump. So Pahrump is actually a small town still in Nevada, and it's 62 miles away from Las Vegas, going west. And yun, I am with Mother Dear, who's taking a nap right now, and of course Bibgo is right here. And so far, it's an easy breezy drive kasi hindi masyadong pinupuntahan ng mga tao. If anything, papunta sila ng California, Arizona, and this road particularly is very free. Kaya yan, walang traffic, kaya maganda. We're planning to go to Pahrump Valley Winery. It's just a small winery, pero we've been there twice, and this will be the third time. Kaso during that time, di pa nagbablog si Bisayang Ilocana. Kaya ngayon, given the opportunity to go there, I'm gonna show you how the place looks like. Hopefully by this time, there will be some grapes na kasi medyo malamig-lamig pa rin, but the sun is up, so hopefully may tanim na sila, or they're actually growing and blooming and having some fruits there. But I'll show you. It's just a small place, but it's very nice and quiet and close to nature, and they also have a restaurant there, and of course they have their wines na gawa doon. We're gonna do wine tasting if it's available now, so we're gonna check that one out. And yun, that's our itinerary for today. So let me take you on a virtual tour and stay tuned. Good, how are you?
Good. Better than the recent.
Your first time here?
No.
Oh.
We'll go to the restaurant in a bit.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
It's gotta be one somewhere.
So we're here. They have a lot of wines.
Yeah. No, I haven't.
this is the sweet one. This. Let's see, which one you want to try?
Anything
This,
sweet.
this.
You can circle, mark it, whatever
Oh, we
you
can
want.
see.
Thank you.
Okay, let's try this. You want to try that?
Sweet. I want something sweet.
2 times 2.
Then yours.
Merlot. I'll try the Merlot. I'll start on the
So we're gonna do wine tasting.
Just one tasting, right?
Just one for a meantime. Yeah.
And so you have to go here. You're good for three tasting.
It's okay to take videos?
You get 3 tastings for $5.
That's right.
So do you want three or just
Oh no,
3?
just
Just
this
three
one.
for- yeah, we'll do
Thank you.
that.
So they give a wine tasting list. Then they have from dry wines to sweet wines. You just have to ask them. They're really good with their products. These are all their products. And right now we're gonna try Merlot and try.
This is the Symphony.
Symphony. That's a sweet one.
Yes.
I always like a good book, so when they said it,
Take a picture if you want. This is the Huckleberry.
Look at that. Looks
Okay.
fancy. And that's the Merlot.
No, this is the
The
Huckleberry.
Huckleberry,
Oh,
the sweet one.
Huckleberry.
This is the Huckleberry, see?
Okay.
I bet, yeah.
Kakabili yata tayo.
I have
In
10.
Las Vegas. Oh, in Las Vegas. In Old Vegas, too.
Ito pang masarap.
And this is the Merlot.
Okay.
We were on 3rd and 4th Street yesterday, so downtown. So that's where his street is. And that's
So this is the price for the bottles.
Yes, those are the prices for the bottles.
original casinos were in the last one, and that was that area. Yes.
Awesome.
Well, we went to,
Some more.
Some up on the wall.
well, we went to Fremont, you know, they transfer like craziness. We went the other way. Someone had told me that it was more mom and popish, but it's really not mom and pop.
Like towards the Cortez and stuff.
Masarap.
Well, we were just
So the
going,
one that I have is
East Fremont Street. We
Symphony.
just didn't keep on walking, it didn't look like there was much to walk to.
Right?
Papakain tayo ng steak.
Cortez, and that was like a big casino that they
Mulberry.
still serve good food there. They still serve like alcohol, so there's remnants.
Anong mas masarap?
This one is sweet and sour kind of dry.
That way.
This one is more like on the sweet side.
Oh my God.
Medyo mas okay.
No one's gonna be Dubai. Being a black oil money, get real.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Middle East.
And
Real
they-
Middle East.
I've seen that, I actually went through, I went through there on the way to India. But I wanted to do that, but I'm like, good man.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Taste in there. You're welcome. That's good. You gotta watch out for green.
Does it blush?
Of course, we're
I think we all are.
We all are. So what is it?
I've gotten better, but it's
Ay,
1990.
Tapang
We
pero mas
have.
matamis.
Yeah, they wanted Blackberry and Merlot. Didn't bring acid. Okay. Yeah.
Tapang pero
Gotcha.
matamis. Ano? Oh, may huga.
They said they wanted these
Got all
ones.
these ideas.
Thank you, sir.
say something. Eh, bakit nasa
We are
loob?
here inside the Pahrump Valley Winery. We just had a wine tasting. We're waiting for our time to go eat
Restaurant.
lunch. We had a reservation for 1:20 and it's already what 1:15, so at least 5 more minutes. So we're just walking here. So you can see on this side, Sanda Makmak na wine.
My dream.
The dream cellar of Bebco. All the way up there. Wine.
Kailangan dream wine cellar.
Wine cellar. They have a lot of stuff here. Look how big this one. It's huge.
Ano na yun eh? Pang isang buwan.
Isang buwan? Buwan lang daw. Ayan. Ano lang siya? Very quiet, very tranquil, very fancy at the same time. Small but terrible. Hindi. Maganda siya talaga. And ano lang yung boses ko. Ano lang tawag ko? Medyo malumanay tayo ng konti.
Tumama yata yung inyo
I-echo
mo.
yung boses natin. Ganun siya ka-quiet dito. I think these are like the covers of the wines. And
Yung ano, seal, the seal.
they seal nila ng mga wines. And they also have the dates kung kailan nila yung pinrin for the wines. Yeah.
Oh, that is for Cabernet.
Yeah, Cabernet Sauvignon 2015, for Merlot 2017, and the rest.
Parang ginawa nilang cartoons.
Kaya cartoons kasi pag nalasing ka, magmumukha kang cartoons. Nagiging water
Diba?
ka.
Ito si Mother lasing
Si
na.
Mother Dear ko na nakailang baso din siya. Kaya masaya siya ngayon. Para na siyang cartoons.
Kulang pa. One more shot. Isa pa.
Ano yan? Masaya.
One
Masaya
more.
yan.
Happy, happy.
Before, actually, we were allowed to go inside, but
Oh, no
they
admit, huh?
already locked it. So, take a look at this one.
So these are the
So, they're doing something.
other...
Yan yung mga barrels ng wine.
inaano nila, they're like sterilizing it.
Sterilizing it.
Last time nakapasok tayo.
Yeah. When we were here, what, 6 years ago?
Hindi,
5 years ago?
Hindi, during pandemic, pumunta tayo rito.
But we weren't able to go inside there.
Yeah, we were able
We did?
to.
I forgot, it's been a long time. But we were able to come like inside. But now it
Bonded
says
winery.
no admittance. And may code na sila, kaya hindi na pwede.
So yun yung mga barrel ng wine.
Guys, so we are already seated.
I've only been a couple.
Beko. Basta.
Oh,
Symphony vinegar wrap, yeah, balsamic, grapes, and cheese.
We already ordered. And after this one, we are gonna go out there. So it kind of looks like di pa masyadong nag-bloom yung mga tanim, lalo na yung grapes. I just looked at it. Wala pa ngayon, so ayan. But it's still nice to walk outside, take pictures as usual. May souvenir naman tayo for today's trip. And have a good sumptuous lunch. Right now, we're just waiting for our orders.
My father
Awesome.
collided with me.
We got a green curtain in our backyard.
Oh, good. Did you put it in the water much?
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's sick.
So I'm there. They're back. They don't know where I am. My ex-wife, panic.
That's good. Thank you.
So I finally came in.
Calamari will be out in just a minute, you okay?
Yes, thank you.
Would you like a glass of
No, this you can have this one. I'm driving. Thank you.
Well, I can understand that. The new one's haven't opened yet. No, there it is. So when Tammy was looking at photography,
And they still don't have
when I
the
got back to Florida,
Did
I
you
was
look
back
at
in California.
those ones down off of
One of my favorite
El Capitan, the
pictures.
building, those Gilmore
Carlton
Road?
had a
You know where
jet
they're leveling
with
it?
Al.
You see that? So I looked
Jet is
online.
nutrition.
up the
They were observing
Right, right.
One was up.
Well, I looked it up the other day, and it
And I
seems
wasn't
like they're gonna be
thinking
very
about it at the
typical
time.
of the new
Killabyte?
homes that they're,
And the one fisherman's
They're-
fly
they're-
for the sun.
this, they're very vertical.
Sobat.
Three-story thing.
I don't know if they're
Not that I
three-story,
knew
but
what I
they're
was doing.
two-story, but they look very
One of my, I still have that picture at
so
home.
they don't look like they're,
Yeah,
no,
Dennis
no.
Carl. That's where,
And I didn't even just your house. So sweet.
so I got, so I have my very nice, my GTO. Right? Then there's another.
Do you mind if I hand over?
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
Broad case, but I'm glad you love it.
Salad. French fries sa kanya. No? French fries pala sa'yo.
And actually,
$850. Great deal.
Parehas lang eh.
And I bought it. I'd never been on a motorcycle. Never. So I just, you don't think real. And that's still, I bought this motorcycle. And one of the guys with me in Vietnam,
I think everybody avoided,
Ano to,
he
Roy?
taught me how to drive it in the sand.
everybody avoided that
He said,
northwest corridor
he
because
said, if you can learn how to ride in the
triangle
sand,
area
balance.
out there because
And then, by the way, if you drop it or
not a
fall,
great area.
you don't hurt yourself. Yeah.
Sure.
So like,
You fall a lot?
no.
Wala sa amin mozzarella.
Stupid things. From Tamarack to the airport down Interstate 5. I'm drinking my Jack in my apartment by myself. I say,
Oh, Mia.
I wonder how fast this motorcycle can go.
Yeah.
Yan ang konting cheese.
So I took the motorcycle,
Mozzarella.
I take it out to Interstate 5. I lay down on a tank and open it up. First lieutenant, I am flying down Interstate 5. Interstate 5. And I came off. As I look back on my life now, I'm going, if my son told me that when he did,
First size
I
salad.
would shoot him.
Salad.
Let me kill you now.
It's very fresh.
And avoid the pain. Yeah. Oh.
They don't even make them anymore.
Crab avocado.
Oh my gosh. Are you
I'm actually so much after October 1st, you know, we got crashed across the line.
Kumalikod balay mo na. Tapos titilikod balay mo.
Well, I'm sorry, all those.
Are we all gonna be okay on drinks? Like another glass of wine, gentlemen?
They're making this foundation.
Parang gano'n ang mukha.
And it's like, there's
No,
people,
I
and the foundation
Nice tea.
dissolves.
I'm sitting in the back seat.
No, that's real.
Yeah. We saw a really interesting
Yeah.
program on
No, I-
2020.
All right, I'll get your starter plates out of the way, okay?
About Elizabeth
I was,
from
before I got
Silicon Valley.
down
Because they made it
before I
into a
can.
Hulu miniseries, but she's
Memorial Day
still
parade.
waiting to be sentenced at this point.
Thank you, guys. Entrees will be out shortly.
She-
$700 million.
Stroganoff.
And then back.
Thank you. And we're okay on drinks,
And
please?
actually,
No, we're good. Thank you. All right, I'll check on you
from the
shortly.
donor to
No, never mind.
Red Rock, fine.
So, yeah.
Mga tayo, kain po.
Baby carrot.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Masarap eh. May
So I
aftertaste.
had a friend like that, another guy, kind of clever.
Oh, they don't?
Doing 3 loops. Don't stop. And 3 loops.
Yeah.
He's right there. You know what he did?
But yeah,
He
it's like,
did 2 instead of 3.
Somebody in a circle.
He just stayed behind one of these whatever. Yeah.
Not thinking anything of it.
And you know, this is the clever guy one. Same thing, I remember they were all having that turkey
I
trot.
said, they don't have deals in Ireland.
Turkey trot.
No, no.
How's everything?
Remember those?
Good. Beautiful.
Because even this guy doesn't listen to it. you know, whatever it is, you know,
Yeah.
testing that there are so many different things that happen.
Ganito ba yung talagang noodles dati?
I need to try it out there. In the park.
Iuwi mo?
That me and I went to.
I was with you.
And the other wife, they said there are
Nalagyan ko ng mayonnaise sa ng kondo.
Ito, parang mayonnaise to.
They come, but they disassociate themselves
Diba ba?
with me and Susan and me.
Parang mayonnaise yan.
I don't know that it would honestly do that much good.
Well, here's
The initial, when you first hear something like that, it's shock because you're not expecting to hear it. Expecting to come out, say, well, it's done, and he's right. Yeah.
put together a video of
Sarap pag
there were 3 or 4 things that stayed in my mind.
Alright guys, so we are here outside. The restaurant is actually right here, and that's the door going outside. But they said once you go out, you can't come back in, so you have to go through the little gate there. So ayan. And when it comes to grapes, grapevine nila, vineyard nila, meron doon. Yan. Kaso wala pang tumutubo, wala pang namumukadkad at wala pang namumunga. So it looks dead. Yan. Tapos sa totoo lang guys, nanginginig na ako sa lamig. Pero dahil kailangan kong mag-aura, tiis ganda tayo. Pneumonia later. And that's also a vineyard. Pero wala pang bunga. So it's still considered winter. Malamig pa. But Beb and I were talking earlier, and we think this whole place is just for pang tourist attraction lang, pang display, ganon. Picture, mga events, kasal, parties. They have a hall here, they have a little stage. Yung parang maliit na gazebo right there, natabunan ng mataas na puno. Ganun lang. I think they get their grapes somewhere else kasi sa sobrang dami naman ng ginagawa nilang wine. I don't think this vineyard is enough to sustain that much wine production. So ayan. Maganda sana talaga kung sakto yung timing mo na pumunta dito, na lahat namumukadkad, green. Although right now okay naman kahit papano. Instagrammable pa rin naman kahit papano. But yun. So yung gazebo ano nila right there. And have a little alley there pouring something. Wala namang water. But yun, that's about it. Ako'y pupunta na sa kotse at nalamiisan. Tugnaw na. Kailangan na nating magbalot at pumunta sa loob ng kotse, and I think we're gonna go somewhere else. But I need to know kung matutuloy o hindi. So, ayun guys. Ayan, let's go back in the car. We are on our way back to Las Vegas, but we are gonna stop by this little store na madadaanan mo just along the highway. Para siyang stall? Yeah. Na air-conditioned naman. Ganda naman siya. Parang siyang trailer na na-convert into a little store. No, may air conditioner siya sa loob. And they sell any kinds of jerky, dried fruits, and of course yung honey, which is yun yung isa sa mga habol namin dito, raw and pure honey. So when you come to Pahrump, madadaanan mo siya. But now, before leaving Pahrump, madadaanan mo rin siya obviously. Kaya Kaya yun yung ating pupuntahan, and I'll show you what they have there inside. Ito yun. Maliit lang siya na trailer. And let's go inside.
Cashew. 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 Spicy cashew. Sour cashew.
Oye, ¿cuál carne seca llevaste de acá de Pahrump cuando viniste?
And so they have a lot of different kinds of jerky. This one is buffalo. They also have elk. And venison. Then on that side they have all beef, different flavors, dried fruits, nuts, different flavors,
Papi, está buena.
and a lot of honey.
Yum, 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 yum.
¿Cuál es esa?
Avocado.
For a small store,
Muy spicy.
they have a lot and it's good. And so they said the names, this one, they have different names.
Desert wildflower.
They said it's the type of pollen where the bees made and took the pollens to create the honeys. So yan. They have clover, sage, wild malt buckwheat, and orange blossom, desert wildflower. Meron na silang avocado. They actually have a lot. They have a lot. And we got one here before. They're really good. Thank you. So, if you happen to come here to Pahrump, check out their place here, just along the highway. Yan sila. So let's go.